Welcome to Fiber Optics Communication Systems by eFact. Module 5 Photodetectors. Introduction to photodetectors. Photodetector is an optoelectric device which absorbs an optical energy and converts it into an electrical energy. This process is called as photodetection. It generally involves 3 steps. Step 1. Absorption. In the absorption process, the optical energy falling on the photodetector gets absorbed by it. It means a number of photons are absorbed by the photodetector. This will cause the generation of some charge carriers. Step 2. Transportation of carriers. In this process, the newly generated carriers gets transported across the absorption region. In some photodetectors, a gain is provided to these charge carriers. Step 3. Generation of photocurrent. After the transportation of charge carriers, the collection of these carriers is done and the current flows to the external circuit. This current is mainly because of the photons falling on the photodetector. So this current is called as photocurrent. Characteristics of photodetectors. Responsivity. It is defined as the ratio of detector output to the detector input. So therefore, responsivity is given as R is equals to IP upon P naught, where IP is photocurrent and P naught is incident power. Quantum efficiency. It is defined as the ratio of number of newly generated charge carriers to the number of incident photons. Therefore, quantum efficiency eta is given as IP upon Q, the whole upon P naught upon Hc by lambda. Noise equivalent power. It is defined as the ratio of noise current to the peak radiant sensitivity. Detectivity. The reciprocal of noise equivalent power is detectivity. Dark current. When the light is not falling on the photodetector, then also some current is passing in the circuit. This current is known as dark current. PIN photodetector. As the name indicates, the diode is consist of an undoped intrinsic layer between two highly doped regions. It gives improved performance as compared to conventional photodiodes. The high electric field present in the depletion region causes photo-generated carriers to separate and collected across the reverse bias junction. This gives rise to a current flow in an external circuit known as photocurrent. Energy band diagram for PIN photodiode. This figure shows energy band diagram for a PIN photodiode. Avalanche photodiode. In case of conventional photodiodes and PIN photodiodes, the output current is very small because of the limited gain. Now, in order to obtain the large gain, the avalanche photodiodes are used. The reverse bias is applied to the photodiode in near to the breakdown value. The multiplication factor, that is current gain, denoted as M for all carrier generated in the photodiode is defined as M is equals to Im upon Ip, where Im is the average value of the total multiplied output current and Ip is the primary photocurrent. The responsivity of APD can be calculated by considering the current gain M as R of APD is equals to R0 into M, where R0 is the original responsivity. So in this module, we have studied introduction to photodetectors, characteristics of photodetectors, PIN photodetector, and avalanche photodiode.